How to transfer a specific album to Dropbox on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer a specific album to Dropbox on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down until you find settings, and here you will find transfer a copy of your information, and then click next and click Dropbox. Here you will find this one, specific album. Click on it and select it, and then just click none here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.